How can content creators use Chat GPT? Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about how Chat GPT can be useful to content creators. What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed to process natural language and generate text that is similar to human language. This technology is used in various applications such as chatbots, content generation, and even translation. 1. Content ideas and brainstorming. 1. Of the ways content creators can use ChatGPT is to generate content ideas and even help in brainstorming sessions. 2. You can input a topic or a keyword and ChatGPT will generate multiple ideas that can be used as a starting point for your content creation. 3. This is particularly helpful when you're feeling stuck and need a fresh perspective to generate new ideas. 2. Content creation. 1. ChatGPT can also help in creating high-quality content for your channel. You can input a topic and let ChatGPT generate an outline or even an entire script. 2. This will save you time and effort and also ensure that your content is of high quality. You can even use ChatGPT to help in the research phase of creating your content. 3. By inputting a topic, ChatGPT can generate relevant information and sources that you can use in your content. 3. Engaging with your audience. 1. ChatGPT can be used to create personalized responses to comments and messages from your audience. 2. This will help in building a better connection with your viewers and also save you time in responding to each message individually. 3. You can even use ChatGPT to generate automatic responses for frequently asked questions, making your channel more efficient and streamlined. 4. SEO optimization. 1. Finally, ChatGPT can help in optimizing your content for SEO. You can input a focus keyword and let ChatGPT generate meta descriptions, titles, and even tags for your videos. 2. This will ensure that your content is more discoverable and reaches a wider audience. 3. By using ChatGPT for SEO optimization, you'll be able to spend more time creating great content instead of worrying about the technical aspects of search engine optimization. Conclusion. 1. ChatGPT can be a very useful tool for content creators. It can help in generating content ideas, creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and even optimizing your content for SEO. 2. By incorporating ChatGPT into your content creation process, you'll be able to create better content in less time and reach a wider audience. So, if you haven't already, give ChatGPT a try and see how it can enhance your content creation process.